Hello, very quick little tutorial for you today. Brian McGinty here at Karatbars VIP Business Partner since 2013. In this little tutorial, I'm just going to talk to you about profit packages. In Karatbars International, we have a choice of going with the original packages that Karatbars have been selling for around about 8-9 years now, or we have the new profit packages. Going forward for the rest of 2019, for the foreseeable future, I will only be talking about profit packages because simply they contain more value. Okay, so if you want to get started with Karatbars International, please go to the karatgold.sg website. Okay, if you want to get started, excuse me. If you want to get started, go there, register. You'll get the link from the person who told you about this video, or you can register from the link that's underneath this video. So it's very, very quick, very, very easy. Once you've registered at karatgold.sg, you will be presented with a dashboard like this one in front of you. You will need to go to your profile and go to KYC and complete your KYC. That simply means uploading a copy of your ID, driving license or passport. Once you've uploaded a copy of your ID, then you are clear to go ahead and order your package. Now this is an affiliate demo account, just an account I've set up for the purposes of this. My organization, as obviously, is over 20,000 people in it now. I'm in over 100 countries around the world. So let me show you, if you want to get started, as I said, get started using the profit packages, not the packages on karatbars.com. So we go in here, we go to product purchase, we scroll down, you'll see profit packages are here. So it's the third one on the drop down. We click on that and that will open the profit packages here. So you can see we have 150, 300, so on and so forth. Now what I'm going to do is to make it easier, we do have a PDF in the downloads section. So if you go to general and go to downloads, open up the download section here, go to English and you'll see presentations. Underneath presentations, you'll see the Karat Gold Gold Standard Compensation Plan 2019. That's the one that you want to read. Okay, that is the compensation plan for 2019. So let me go now up to the top of the page here. I'm going to open that PDF for you. So here we go. This is the PDF. I'm going to go through the profit packages with you now. You will see there's 15 different packages, so there's something for every budget. Package 1 is €150. Inside here you get 0.2 grams of cash gold, which will be delivered to you digitally. Okay, so you get that 0.2 grams of cash gold in your back office. If you want that 0.2 grams of cash gold delivered, it will come, you can have it delivered. It looks like this. It has two pieces of 0.1 gram of cash gold in the center of the note. You could also get it delivered as a 0.1 gram, which is this one, and you can see the 0.1 gram of cash gold there inside the note. You get €150 worth of KCB coins. So it's costing you €150, but you're getting €150 worth of KCB. You get a 10% bonus on that. 10% on 150 is €15 bonus. Okay. You also get a one code. This code again will be delivered to you digitally, and you can take from that code 100 KCB, or you could give that as a gift to someone else. Maybe someone else who's interested in the business. Give it to them as a gift, 100 KCB. Into their online account, and that will be an introduction for them into the business. You also, within that code, get 3% off all gold purchases for 12 months, or you can use that as a €100 discount code against a VIP package. So taking a look at this now, only €150, you're getting your 0.2 grams of cash gold, your €150 of KCB, plus the 10% bonus. Plus you're getting this discount code as well, and you've got a business for life with no ongoing costs. So you've bought your package, all been delivered to you digitally. You can start earning immediately. You can be paid onto your Karatbars MasterCard as early as next Friday. Okay, so we're paid onto your Karatbars MasterCards every Friday. Now, what other business can you start out there for €150 as a one-off payment? There are no ongoing fees. There are no subscriptions. If you start off in this package, you get the status as a bronze business partner. So you'll see that there just below the description. So that means that you get a percentage of commissions on any sales that you do directly, and you get a percentage on turnover of units within your organization as well. So we'll go to the next package, €350, the next step up. You can see there's 0.8 grams of cash gold in there, €350 worth of KCB. And this time you're getting a 25% bonus on top of the 350. You're now getting 3 of those codes, which you can use, as I said, to give to people, to give away. And you still, on the €350, you're getting that status as a bronze business partner. Okay, on to the next one, package 3. Package 3 is €750. 2.1 grams of cash gold this time, 750 euros worth of KCB, plus a 40% bonus on top of the 750 euros. So you can see the value is getting much, much higher as the packages increase. You now have 8 of the 100 euro codes. The important thing here now is you're going up to the status of silver. So that's the next level up in the compensation plan. And again, there's more benefits for you in the compensation plan for being on those higher levels. If you want to read more about that, go in, read the compensation plan, which is in the download section there in the back office. I'll be covering the compensation plan more on a separate video. Package 4, 1,250 euros. You get 2.6 grams of cash gold. That's 1,250 euros worth of KCB, plus a 45% bonus this time. You're not also in this package, package 4, you get the status of silver. Package 5, we take another leap up this time, 1,700 euros, 4.3 grams of cash gold. Just to give you a little bit of an idea, a gram of cash gold today is 40 euros, so we'll multiply that by 4.3. So we're looking at 180 euros worth of cash gold in this particular package. Again, that'll be delivered to you digitally. You can choose to have that kept in storage or you can have it delivered. 1,700 euros worth of KCB plus a 50% bonus. So we just do 1,700. Or 1700 plus 50%. So you can see that's 2,550 euros worth of KCB in this package. Okay, straight with the purchase of 1,700. You're also getting that 4.3 grams of cash gold, and you're now getting 20 codes. And we leap up this time because you're now at the status of gold in the compensation plan. Let's go to the next one. 2,300 is the package 6, 5.4 grams of cash gold, 2,300 worth of KCB. And then 50% bonus on this one. This one is the same again as the status of gold. Package 7, 3,000 euros, 8.7 grams of cash gold, 3,000 euros worth of KCB, plus a 55% bonus this time. 20 codes in this one, and this is really important. Now you get the status of VIP. Now in the compensation plan, as I said, you can get a read of this later, but you now get paid up to 7 levels down in the compensation plan as well. So it's the maximum level. You also get 10% direct commissions on your own sales as well on packages. So if you can get the VIP package, the sooner you can get the VIP package, the better. Package 8, we're looking at 4,000 euros now, 13 grams of cash gold, 4,000 euros worth of KCB plus a 60% bonus this time. Now getting 50 codes, and as I said, really important, you're getting that VIP status. So from package 7 on, they're all going to be VIP. Package 9 is 10,000 euros, 43.5 grams of cash gold. Just to calculate that to give you an idea, 43.5 times 42 euros. And that works out at 1,827 euros worth of cash gold that you're actually getting. Again, you can have that cash gold delivered. You could have it delivered as the notes, or you can have it delivered here as the cash gold cards as well. So this is a 6 gram cash gold card. This is a 3 gram cash gold card. This is a 1 gram cash gold card. But it will be delivered to you digitally. You then go to your My Gold. You can choose to have it delivered physically like that or keep it. Or you can transfer it from person to person on your Karatpay app as well. So 10,000 worth of KCB plus a 70% bonus. So you're going to end up with 17,000 euros worth of KCB. The VIP status on its own is worth an infinite amount. I bought my VIP business package back in 2013. I built my entire life with my VIP business package. My home, my cars, everything, my holidays have all come from me making that purchase. So really, really important to get that VIP status if you can. Package 10 then, 15,000 euros. We're looking at 62.2 grams of cash gold now, 15,000 euros worth of KCB plus a 75% bonus and 120 of those codes as well. Please do not discount how important these codes are. In building your business, you will be talking to new people. If you're talking to someone and they want to come into Karatbars International, and if they want to buy a VIP business package, well, if you have a 100 euro discount code for them, it's a fantastic gift to give someone to get them started off in the business. So we're going to move up now to the next level. These are our larger profit packages, and the first one here starts at 25,000 euros. Now these are slightly different because they contain an annual profit. The idea is that, for example, in the 25,000 euro package, there's 160 grams of cash gold. That 160 grams of cash gold, you can choose to keep it digitally, or you can have it physically delivered in the notes or cards, as I've shown you already. Now, if you decide that you want to leave that with Karatbars International have gold traders in Hong Kong. Those gold traders will trade that 160 grams of cash gold for you on the markets. And what they'll give you is 15 grams of annual profit on the cash gold that you actually have there at storage. Now, at any time you can choose to have your cash gold delivered as physical gold. You could put it on the Karatbars exchange, turn it into US dollars. It's entirely up to you. The gold's completely flexible, but the moment that you take it out, you wouldn't be eligible for that 15 grams of annual profit. Inside this package, you get 300 codes, again, with the 3% discount on gold, and then the €100 discounts on the VIP packages as well. Really important if you're building your business, those. Package 12 is €50,000. We have 350 grams of cash gold in there. We'll just work that out. 350 times 42. We're looking at €14,700 worth of gold in that package. Okay, €14,700 worth of gold. You're getting 200% of the KCB, so you will have €100,000. So that's 200% on the 50,000. So €100,000 of KCB, €14,700 of physical gold itself, which you can have delivered or keep digitally. Or you could have 35 grams of annual profit. Now we'll work that out. 35 times 42. Annual profit would be around about €1,500 on that if you decide to leave that in storage. So these are great packages for someone who wants to get involved, with the company, want to put some money into the gold, but they'd like that gold to keep working for them every year as well. The €150,000 package here, we can see there's 1,140 grams of cash gold in that, so 1140 multiplied by 42. There is inside that package €47,880 worth of gold. So it's €48,000 worth of gold in that package alone. So almost a third of the package is physical gold. 250% KCB on top of 250% of the 150,000 in KCB. Remember, this KCB, when the ICO finishes next year, that KCB will be able to be traded on our exchange, another exchange, on our Karatbars exchange, sorry. On this one, you have 114 grams of annual profit. So 114 times 42, we're looking at 4,788 annual profit on that, as long as you keep that in there. VIP status again is normal, 2,000 codes. Now the €500,000 package. One thing I will say about these larger packages, the amount of gold that they can trade in Hong Kong is limited. Okay, so there's only going to be a limited number of the 150, the 500, and the €1,000,000 packages. If you're interested in one of these larger packages, please do inquire first before you make your purchase, to make sure, so we can make sure that the gold, the amount of gold that's able to be traded, still can be traded. But these will be completely limited to the amount of gold that the traders in Hong Kong can actually trade. So we're looking at €500,000, 4,000 or 4,000 grams of cash gold. So it's 4,000 times 42. So we're looking at €168,000 worth of gold. So you can have that €168,000 worth of gold delivered to you right away, or you can keep it digitally. If you decide to keep it in there, we're looking at 440 grams of annual profit. 440 times 42. We're looking at 18,000 a year. So buy your €500,000 package, you get to keep your gold anyway. If you decide to keep your gold in storage, you're looking at 18,480 per year in annual profit. You also get 5,500 of those codes, which again you can use yourself, turn them into KCB, or you can give those to someone else. Last but not least, we have the €1,000,000 package. The €1,000,000 package has 8,700 grams of cash gold, so 8,700 times 42. And inside here we have €365,000 worth of gold. So it's €365,000 worth of physical gold in the €1,000,000 package. As again, you can have that physical gold delivered to you. You can have it up to 6 gram and the up to 6 gram card size, or you can leave it in. The 1,000 grams of annual profit, so 1,000 times 42, well, we know what this is going to be, so it's 42,000. So it's 1 kilo of gold per year annual profit if you decide to leave that money sitting in there. You also have 300% KCB, so for €1,000,000 you're getting 300%, so that's €3,000,000 of KCB, and you're paying €1,000,000 for the actual package itself. Plus you're getting the gold, which is 360 something, whatever we said, thousand worth of gold. Plus you have, if you want to leave that gold in storage, you can have that 42,000 a year, or whatever 1 kilo of gold is in annual profit. So I hope that's explained the new profit packages. As I said, we're my team, my organization, I'm still looking for business partners all over the world. And by the way, if you were a business partner and you were to sell a €1,000,000 package today, there's €100,000 in commission in the package for you as well as a business partner. So really, really important. If you want to be a business partner, there's lots of direct sales companies out there. There's not too many direct sales companies on €1 million sales where you can earn 10% commission on those, but that's possible here with Karatbars International. Our team, just my group alone within Karatbars International, did over €1 million in turnover last month. The turnover has increased about tenfold in the past 12 months. So huge interest in these packages, huge interest in our coins, KCB and KBC. We have our new crypto phone coming out this year. We have the ATMs. There's lots going on in 2019, which has taken Karatbars to even higher levels than we've gone in the past 12 months. If you have any questions about these packages, again, you can buy them with credit card, debit card, if you have those sorts of limits to buy the packages, especially the smaller ones. The website, just to make you aware, the website has a limit of €20,000 per month on one card. And what you can do is you can use multiple cards and buy cash gold and then convert the cash gold into packages. But if you've got any questions like that, please do give me a ring. We do have bank accounts in the United States, bank accounts in Europe. So there are different bank accounts around the world that Karatbars International use. So if you need to send money for a package, just get in touch and we can see if there's a solution there for you on that. So thanks very much for watching. If you want to get started with Karatbars International, please concentrate on the profit packages, not the karatbars.com packages. You go to karatgold.sg to get them. Get back to the person who told you about this video if you need a link, or there will be a link underneath this video as well. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you again on another tutorial. Thanks very much.